Good morning, David here. I am so happy today to show you this new workbench. If any of you have looked at my other videos, you will know why. I had an old wood one and I've always wanted to get something like this. So I just want to show you some of the points that made me buy this. It checked all the boxes for me. This came from a place in Roxton, Quebec, Canada, made in Canada, custom made by Blue Metal. So, first off, you'll see a lot of workbenches out there on the internet. Roxton, or Blue Metal, is the only one that has handles like this. All the other ones have a handle that comes all the way across. If you see that, that is not the box that you want. So, going on, this one has 10 gauge steel top. It's 1.5 inches thick with wood underlay. It's strong enough to support a vise. And I have a real heavy, like a 75-pound mechanics vise right here. Another thing, this is wide. I wanted a box with lots of room to work on. Your average workbench only is about 18 inches. Some of them will go as much as 23 inches. This one, and I can measure it and show you, from the backsplash you have 29 inches, and then you have another from the wall, another 1.5 inches. That's very important. It's at a really nice working height for me. Very nice. When you're looking at some of the other ones and it tells you the weight of them, it's going to say something like 600 pounds. This baby's 1,000 pounds. If that doesn't tell you something about the construction of this. The drawers on this are 16 gauge steel compared to some of the other ones. They advertise them at 21 gauge. Big difference. The finish on here, it's very smooth. No, it's not jagged. It's bent over. Each drawer is rated at 300-pound capacity. The nice thing about Blue Metal, you can configure the drawers any way you want. I chose a section of 4-inch drawers. Then I have 8-inch drawers and 10-inch drawers. I also wanted one drawer that was extremely wide for my wheel pullers. They wouldn't fit in a standard drawer. There is a lot of weight on here, and it closes beautiful. No struggling at all. I had a little bit of space left over, and I asked if they could do something with that. So they made me an extra cabinet here that bolts on. This way it gives me a full, this is an 8-foot bench, okay? It gives me 8 feet of space, and I can have my vise over here. I can show you something else, and I have a good snap-on box here just to show you the difference. You cannot do that with that box over there. So if anybody is looking for a solid bench with warranty, you can pick up the phone and you can call these guys at any time. Please do yourself a favor and look into buying a bench from Blue Metal, made in Canada.
Now, what about the rollers on this one as compared to your overpriced
That's a
Snap-on?
good point. You will notice, first off, there's no slides, like on a conventional box. That's because this has heavy-duty rollers. There's 4 on each drawer, 2 on the drawer and 2 on the framework to support it.
And they're a sealed bearing too, if I remember.
And that is a sealed bearing. You are never going to worry about this. And again, I'm showing you how well it closes. So, if you like what I just showed you, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot.